Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we're the TheSorryGirls.
And today we are doing a fanny pack DIY. I know you guys have seen like the fanny pack. It's making a comeback. It's in all kinds of stores. So today we're gonna do 2 twists on it that are affordable, really cool, really trendy. Super easy. Also, hello, subscribe, notification bell, because I want to see your faces around more often.
And make sure you guys check out our Instagram, giving Instagram a little bit of shout out, because we have some special projects in the works, and we always go to Instagram, I think, for advice and stuff. So if you guys want to give your inputs about advice and all different kinds of things, make sure sorry, I got distracted by Danielle scratching of her jeans. Make sure you guys are following us over there because we have some special projects in the works, and we usually go to our Instagram for advice, polls, that kind of thing. So make sure you're following us there. Let us know below if you already are. And let's jump into this video.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you a super simple hack / upcycle of a way to make a cuter version of a traditional fanny pack. I remember you guys loved this upcycle mini backpack we did years ago. It was a way to make a tiny backpack out of a boring side bag. If you haven't seen that, you have to see it. It'll be linked below. This is kind of reminiscent of that, as it's very easy, but like so cool and not that expensive to do either. So the things you'll need for this is either like a larger wallet like this one is, or a little clutch. This was about $5 from the thrift store, or you can use one that you already have that you aren't already using. And also a belt. Again, it can be one you already own. This one was from the thrift store. Maybe it was like $5 as well. These are the 2 pieces that are gonna make our cute fanny pack. So the first step is gonna be, well really, one of the only steps is gonna be to make some slits in the back that we can slide the belt through to make it wearable. So I'm gonna use a little craft knife and a ruler to do that. So I found the center of the back of the bag and used a pencil crayon to mark that. And then I went 1.5 inches in from the outside and marked that. Where that joined, I measured out my 1.5 inch width for the belt and used the craft knife to cut a little line. And I did that on both sides of the bag. So now I have my 2 little slits in the bag. Just be careful that when you're doing this, if you have the bag not open like this, that you don't go all the way through, because we obviously don't want any cuts on the front of the bag, because that's not cute. So now that I have the 2 little slits in here, it's really easy to just put the belt in and finish up making the fanny pack. It sounded wrong in my head. Fanny pouch, fanny pack.
What?
We're making a fanny pack, guys. Buy my merch. Patches for your fanny patch.
What?
This is such an easy upcycle, and honestly, it's so cute and so trendy right now. As for ways you can style this, there's so many, honestly. You could wear it with the belt buckle on the front, like a belt with a little side pack, or you could put the belt buckle all the way to the back so you can't see it, so it looks more like a traditional fanny pack. Or you could even move the clutch part of it to the back, so it's kind of like this hidden compartment for when you're going out. If you have any amazing ideas of ways to style fanny packs, let us know below, because I would love to hear them. And let's move on to the next fanny pack DIY.
All right, so I'm gonna show you another super easy, affordable way to get that fanny pack style. But this time we're gonna DIY from scratch. And there is some fabric involved, but it is no-sew. So I'm gonna show you another super affordable, easy, cheap, that's the same word, way to get that fanny pack style. But this time we're gonna DIY it from scratch. This does involve a little bit of fabric, or faux leather. Is faux leather considered fabric? Probably, I guess so. But it is a no-sew project. So there are some little pieces of hardware that we're gonna need, but I'm gonna get to that later. And I'm gonna start with the faux leather and our DIY template, which you guys know you can get on our website. Sponsors, it's already free for you guys. And if not, go check it out. We're making an envelope clutch style purse. And actually, I don't know if you could consider it OG. Like early days, TheSorryGirls DIY idea. So this is really exciting that we're bringing it back in a new way. So we're gonna start by cutting out this template. So once you have the template all cut out, you can trace it onto your faux leather or fabric of choice. And then we can just cut that out of the leather. So next up, we're going to use a screw post, which looks a little something like this, and you can find it online. We will definitely link it below for you guys, and a leather hole punch or a fabric hole punch to complete our envelope clutch. So we're going to punch holes where we marked out on our fabric. And actually on the top one, which is the pointier side, we're going to cut the tiniest little slit so it can fit over that screw post. And then to assemble it, we're going to fold up these sides and then the bottom piece and then screw in the screw post through all of these layers. And then I just added some fabric glue under these openings just to make sure everything stays super secure inside my little clutch here. And now you have a working clutch. All right, this is looking super cute. I forgot how cute this was. We haven't made one of these in a while. So my next step is to add my chain onto my clutch so that it can be a purse or a fanny pack. So first up, I'm going to punch a small hole through 2 layers at the top corners of my clutch. And through these holes, I'm going to add a large jump ring. Next, I'm gonna take some gold chain that's the right size I want for around my waist or around your shoulder. And then I'm gonna take a medium lobster claw with jump ring and add that to the ends of my chain so that my chain can clip onto my clutch. And this is our finished product, and I'm so happy with it. I think it looks so friggin' luxe. And this honestly, like, if I had a stopwatch running, it probably took me like less than 10 minutes to make. Like, are you kidding me? I love how this turned out, and I can't wait to wear it and style it. So this little guy, you can wear it over your shoulder like the little purse that it is, or you can also wear it around your waist in like any position, front, side, back, as a cute little belt chain accent. Love it.
I hope you guys liked this and you liked our little styling as well.
I love them. I think they turned out so good, and now I feel like I have the courage to wear the fanny pack. I think I was resisting it for like a sec, and now I'm like, I'm ready.
No, they're so cool. You're so ready.
I'm so ready.
Make sure you head to our blog for supply list and to get that template and all that cool stuff. Remember, sponsors get templates for free.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a like.
And if you love it, make sure you sub it.
And if you like fanny packs, ring the bell.
See you next time. Bye.